Good morning, boys and girls. April 23rd, Thursday. Here's your Newsela lesson for today. Share screen. Go to Schoology. Come down over here, click on Newsela. It shall come up soon. Sorry, it took a minute there. All right. I'm going to quit showing eventually how to get on here, so hopefully you guys know how to get on here, but because it's in your Schoology, and you might even just type Newsela and get in. Your password would just be your single sign-on for Schoology, I'm assuming. All right, so we're going to go to our class, Think Like a Scientist. Go down, all these assignments you've already gotten, you should be doing. Woman behind the first black hole image. Okay, so a black hole, this is a young scientist makes history by helping get first black hole photo. All right, so she's smart and came up with a black. Here's your activities as a write. It's got a prompt, write a short paragraph that explains the central idea of the article. Use at least 2 details from the article to support your response. And then now we have our sentence frame. You can just use your sentence frame. If you can't type in it, then you can just type under it with the sentence frame. All right, and then you have your quiz, and then you have a science detail. And this one says, how did using patterns help in discovering a black hole in space, a million miles away? What details from the text help support your claim? So you have a main idea and the details here. You would just list them, and that's what you need to do with that. So let's go back to the reading. Okay, so it says, in space, there are things called black holes. A black hole is part of a space that is very heavy. All heavy things slightly pull other things toward them. Black holes can even pull light into themselves. Since we need light to see, we cannot see black holes. Now we can see a picture of one, though. It is the first picture of a black hole. The picture could help with learning more about space. Katie Bowman is a woman whose work helped make it happen. She's only 29 years old. Wow, young. She was on a team of scientists. They made it possible to see a picture of a black hole. Black hole is very far away from Earth, so that's the title of this paragraph. Bauman led a team in coming up with ways to use data. Information was coming from a group of telescopes. They needed ways to use the data, though. They found ways to use it to take a picture. The picture was of a black hole in the Messier 87 galaxy. A galaxy is a system of millions of stars. Earth and our solar system are part of the Milky Way galaxy. Messier 87 is a galaxy far from Earth. Bauman was on a team of 200 scientists who helped with the picture. On April 10th, a picture was shared online. It shows Bauman smiling as the black hole showed on her computer. The Event Horizon Telescope is called the EHT for short. It is a group of 8 telescopes. They are in places around the world. Collect data, which is used to put together the picture. Bauman started working on the project 6 years ago. She was 23 years old then. So years and years of teamwork. Last summer, scientists got all the telescope data. Then Bauman and other scientists gathered at Harvard University in Massachusetts. They put their work to a test. With the press of a button, a fuzzy orange ring appeared on Bauman's computer. It was the first picture of a black hole. History was made. In a post online, Bauman said team efforts had made the picture possible. It was not just one person or just one thing, she said. It was the work of scientists around the world, she said. It took years to do. what seemed impossible, she said. This discovery was made in June and it was announced last week by all 200 scientists. Bauman plans to work at the California Institute of Technology. She also plans to keep working with EHT. All right, so that's another scientific one. And you just go back, main idea on this question for your science prompt, and then your other, again, your writing, and then the quiz. Okay, that will be it for today. We will see you soon. Bye.